Hey, sweet friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, today we're going to go over the color green. Green, green. Whoa, look at that. Miss Hendry's caught in some green jello. That's crazy. All right, look at this brush. It has green paint on it. All right, so here are some things that are green. Let's look. A frog is green. Grass is green. Pickles, pickles are green. Snakes can be green. And leaves can be green as well. All right, think about some things around your house or outside that are green. All right, let's look right here. Drag the X on the objects that are not green. So let's look. A frog, is that green? Yes. Is this cheese green? No, it's yellow. So I'm going to put an X on it. All right, let's look right here. This snake, is it green? Yes. Good job. All right, let's look right here. This apple, is it green? Apples can be green, but this apple is red. So let's drag the X and put it over the red apple because that is not green. And then let's look right here. These leaves, are these green? Yes. Good job, guys. See you later.